Boss Babe Squad, welcome and welcome back to my channel if you are new. My name is Francesca Jeanette and I have a special guest here.
Kylie.
This is my eldest daughter. Oh my God, my baby girl. We are here today to give you a full review of TOYOTRESS Goddess Braids. That's right, you heard me, Goddess Braids. I never heard of such thing until TOYOTRESS came out with it. And when I say these are lightweight, these are durable, these are easy to install, and we're gonna do a review for you today. I'm gonna show you her braid pattern that we did. I'm gonna show you the full install, and I'm gonna show you a close-up of a full install so that you can learn how to do it the crochet way. And also the braid pattern, I am not a professional braider by any means. Kylie is learning all of that, but there are tons of videos that you can watch where you can learn how to do different braid patterns to give the illusion of individual crochet, or just braid it all back and it still looks like individual crochet. If you do decide to do individual plaits, there are tons of videos that show you how to weave your individual plait into the faux lock. If I find some, I'll be sure to link them in the description box below. Please make sure that you like, subscribe to my channel, support your girl, and also share this video with your Boss Babe friends so that they can get the tea on how to install these beautiful goddess braids. I will give you a little run through of the product really quickly so that you can see it up close, and then we'll get into the review. Okay, Boss Babe, so this is the braid pattern that I choose to do and have done for quite some time. 2 rows in the front of individual plaits, and I plait them each into the next plait with several rows going back. My daughter has very thick hair, so I have yet to figure out what to do with the back except crochet it all into each other. It seems to work for me. She's gonna be wearing down doos, but I do have individuals in the back as well in case she wants to wear it up. If you have any braid pattern suggestions, please post them in the comment section below and help your girl out. But this works for me. Okay, babe, so we're going to run it back for those of you who are new to the crochet world. Trust me, I was new at 1.2. Practice makes perfect, okay? So basically, I found that whatever side of the head I'm working on, the crochet needle should go in that same direction. So in this case, we're working on the right side. The crochet needle goes under the plait towards the right. Then you're going to pull the hair through, under the braid, and in some cases, I crochet through the actual plait. Now you're going to keep the crochet needle in the loop, but you're going to push it through, and then you're going to gather as much hair on the tip of that crocheted hair so that all of the hair passes through the loop. That way you don't have any straggling goddess hairs, you don't have any straggling braiding hairs, or whatever type of crochet hair you have. Every part of it can go through the loop, and doing it in the direction of the side that you're on makes for a cleaner look, a cleaner root, a cleaner loop, and it just makes for an overall cleaner aesthetic of the entire head. So I'm going to just let it play out while I finish, and please comment below if you have any other suggestions for how you crochet your hair. video on how to install goddess locks, which is what I'm rocking. Thank you again, TOYOTRESS, for extending the invitation to review these amazing products. I love your products. Please continue to thrive and to shine when it comes to great quality products. Check you later.